Just going to do a quick video on how to clean your Weber or any barbecue grill. First thing you got to do, one of these hot water tank trays, get at any hardware store for about 10 to 15 bucks depending where you go. Just plastic. Take this one is a Weber grill. Dawn Power Wash. This is good stuff. Not promoting it. I'm not getting any kickbacks from it. I'm just saying it works. And Zep degreaser, industrial purple degreaser. Sprayed on. You can see it already. Look at the color. Dripping. This thing will be shiny silver by the time I'm done. But instead of scraping it with a wire brush, when you're done, throw it in here, spray it, let it sit. And all you need is one of these little scouring pads, throwaway scouring pads, and it'll be bright silver again, like brand new. So, in case anybody needs any ideas on how to clean it, how to clean your barbecue grill, these things are only, I don't know, 3 inches high. But you could even fill it with some water and soak them if you want. If you don't have any industrial cleaners or Dawn Power Wash, just let them soak in some soapy hot water. And then just get one of these old cheapo scouring pads. It'll come off and it'll be nice bright silver again. Works good for a Weber grill. I'm sure it's going to work good for any other one. This tray is 24 inches and this is a 22-inch grill. So, just to give you some ideas. If you want a clean barbecue, some people don't care. Oh. Look at the black and brown crap just rolling off. You just let that sit and give it a little scrub. I'll show you what it looks like once it's clean. This is great. And no mess in the house or outside. No wire brushes. Now I just filled it up with some hot water. And we'll let it sit. Give it one more scrub all the way around both sides. And then we'll rinse it. And it should be like brand new. So now once we got the hot water and it's hot, look how dirty that water is. Holy crap. You just give it a little rub. Get off the rest of it. Go around it. This thing's going to be like brand new. Brand spanking new. So all you Weber grill owners, or anyone else that has a 22-inch or smaller grill, get yourself one of these pans. Hot water tank drain pan or catch pan. 3 inches in height, 24 inches wide. And that's one of the easiest ways to clean this. So for anybody that owns a Weber grill and wants to clean their grate mess-free, get yourself one of these hot water tank trays. Any hardware store. Where I live, I got, I think, Canadian Tire. 10, 15 bucks. And oddly enough, they were a little more expensive on Amazon. I don't know why. Usually it's cheaper. Anyway, look at this. It's an older grill. It's been used. But that's silver. Pure silver. Just by letting it sit, scrubbing it with that dollar store scrubber. Nice and clean, mess-free, all contained in that tray. You can't go wrong. Look, underside, Holy mackerel. It's pretty darn good. Anyway, pray for us here. Look at the snow. April 19th, I should be in a boat fishing. This is crazy. Snows every once a week, big dump. And it just keeps coming. Melting a little today, but we're supposed to get more tomorrow. Anyway, hope that helps you out a bit. It's actually a lot easier, and you're not using a wire brush, and it cleans it. Where a wire brush just gets that crud off and that's it. This is like brand new. I'm impressed.